If you've ever wished someone could simplify crypto trading by sending you clear alerts each week, the Crypto Code has you covered. This program uses market analysis to find high potential trades and turns that into a simple, easy to follow alerts. They guide you on when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold without all the guesswork. Whether you're brand new or have some experience, these alerts can help you avoid costly mistakes and trade with more confidence. And since they're updated weekly, you're always working with fresh insights based on current market conditions. If you want to start receiving free weekly crypto alerts, check out my link below and see how the crypto code can help you trade smarter.